it. So I do need a tool to cut a hole in the ceiling, so I'm going to use this. It has a template, so to use this tool it just says 155 millimeters, so you set the tool to be 155 and then you tighten it up. And then you do that on the other side as well until it fits the template for the canless LED lights. And I tried to drill the hole just kind of freehand. Did not work at all. Horrible success doing this. You absolutely need a center point for that drill to go in for this to work at all. So I eventually figured out I could use a longer drill bit and put that in there. So I did that, and then I drilled in the plastic part that was in the ceiling. And then once I got the plastic part to fit in, I was able to drill the hole. Now you will be able to see here that this was a horrible idea. It was super messy. When you do this, you gotta figure out a way to contain all of the sheetrock dust, because this was a big problem and it was not fun at all. And here you can see that, yeah, always wear safety glasses. That's a good idea, but it was not fun. But here I'm doing it again, and this time I drilled the hole first in the plastic part in the ceiling so that I kind of had a pilot hole. And then I found a box from Amazon. Now it's not the perfect size box, but it actually worked quite well, and I put my tool in the box to try to contain some of the sheetrock dust. And you'll see here that it's not perfect, and some of these tools actually come with kind of a container and a way to contain all the sheetrock dust. That would be a good idea, but I just dealt with what I had. And you can see, despite it still being quite messy, it was way less messy than the first time I did it.